Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change store demo on a Samsung TV. First, locate your television remote control and press the home button to bring up the main menu. This action is the crucial first step to accessing your television settings. Once the menu appears, you are ready to navigate to the next section for customization. Once the main menu is visible, use your remote to scroll over to the settings icon, which often looks like a small gear. Press the Enter button to select it. From there, locate and choose the General option, then finally select System Manager. This path leads you directly to the specific usage mode settings you need to adjust. Now, within the System Manager menu, you will clearly see the usage mode option. It will likely be set to Store mode, indicated on the screen. Select this option, and then choose Home mode from the available choices. This change immediately optimizes your television's picture and sound for a home environment, removing those bright, attention-grabbing retail settings. To confirm your changes, simply exit the settings menu completely. You should immediately notice a difference in the picture's vibrancy and the audio's balance. Your Samsung television is now optimized for your personal enjoyment, providing a more realistic and comfortable viewing experience. If by chance the demo mode reappears, a simple power cycle often resolves it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.